Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Flare token. Ticker symbol is FLR. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Flare token. So Flare is about to be listed tomorrow on a central exchange called Mexc Global. Now, if you don't have an Mexc account and you're looking to get this token, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, how you get this token is you just go right through that Mexc referral code down there in the description box, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search FLR, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you simply just buy the token. And the token gets listed January 10th at 4 o'clock UTC time. So basically 4 a.m. UTC time on January 10th, which is tomorrow. Today is the 9th as I'm uploading this video. So if you want to find more information regarding this token, you can head over to their official Twitter, which is at Flare Networks. It is verified. They have the blue check mark. They have 229,400 Twitter followers. So they have an insane following on Twitter here. They're doing very well. 3,375 tweets. Very active on Twitter. On Twitter, you could find a full link tree, which is going to have, they have links to their tokenomics. They have links to learn more about Flare, Medium articles, all sorts of stuff on here. So regarding the tokenomics here, it says Flare's mainnet is approaching the public token distribution event. This document provides a recap of the token distribution and token economics. There are two possible versions of the tokenomics, dependent on whether Flare Improvement Proposal 01 passes. So basically, there's a DAO with voting rights, so people will vote and see which set of tokenomics will pass in the future. So community allocation for Flare tokens here, it says 28.5 billion Flare tokens distributed directly to the community members over 36 months. 20 billion Flare available for community members who bring value onto the Flare network by using cross-chain bridges. And 9.8 billion Flare allocated to the Flare Foundation for community and ecosystem initiatives. Total 58.3 billion Flare tokens. So team advisors and backers, 5.7 billion Flare will be provided to early stage backers vesting for 6 months. 3.5 billion Flare will be allocated to existing and future team members plus advisors. The team is restricted from selling any Flare in the first 6 months, no more than 10% of their holdings in the first 12 months, and no more than 25% inclusive to the initial 10% of their holdings within the first 18 months, for a total of 19.2 billion Flare. And Flare entities here, it says 12.5 billion Flare allocated to Flare Networks Limited, which is responsible for native product development on Flare. 10 billion Flare allocated to the Flare VC Fund, which will invest in promising ecosystem projects, for a total of 22.5 billion Flare. So all that together, Genesis supply of this token is 100 billion tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. Genesis date of this token, it came out in July 14th, 2022. So if you think about that, July 14th, 2022, and they already have over 200,000 Twitter followers, and they're verified. They're doing extremely well, this token. So that's why it's also getting these new central exchange listings and whatnot. So it's a utility token as well as a governance token, because we were talking about the voting rights there. But Flare is a layer 1 blockchain built to connect everything. It presents a technology stack that will enable scalable EVM-based smart contracts, highly decentralized price feeds, secure state acquisition from other blockchains, superior bridging for smart contracts and non-smart contract assets, secure data relay, horizontal scaling through a fully interoperable multi-chain ecosystem. And Flare is the network token that will provide support for each of the following functions: incentivized delegation to the Flare Time Series Oracle, the FTSO, to support the provision of reliable decentralized price data, collateral within a third-party decentralized applications built on Flare blockchains, cross-chain and solely native, and participation within network governance, transaction fees in order to prevent spam attacks. So they talk about getting listed on exchanges, and they talk about, they have distribution graphs on here, but on their link tree you could also check out learn more about Flare. So that's going to be take you over to flare.network, which is their official webpage. It says connect everything. Flare is a blockchain which presents developers with a simple and coherent stack for decentralized interoperability. You can also see a full document. There's documentation link in the top right-hand corner of flare.network. There's also headings for learning, where you could check out white papers and research, Flare news, Flare tokenomics, FTSO, state connector, Songbird Canary Network, introduction to Flare. Then there's also a build section where you could start building. There's a grants program, technical documentation, and API portal. There's you can use wallets, Flare portal, governance, delegate to the FTSO. You can operate, like how to set up a node, become a data provider, Flare metrics, Flare block explorer, Songbird block explorer. So Songbird, I actually saw that's part of this ecosystem as well, and that token recently got listed on, it was either CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap or both, but that's another new token that just came out too. So check out that Songbird token. That's not getting listed on Mexc Global as of yet, that I know of anyways. And then they have the different block explorers on here, and then they have a connect part where you can check out careers, contact them, sign up for a newsletter, Flare news, and there's all sorts of socials, CoinGecko's, CoinMarketCap links, MediaMart, basically every social you could think of. And yeah, so the Songbird token is listed on CoinGecko, and that's another project involved in the Flare ecosystem. And ticker symbol for the Songbird token is SGB. And yeah, they also have all sorts of links on the Songbird token. And this Songbird token is on the Flare blockchain, actually, which is cool. So yeah, check this out. That's where you can see the chart too as well. And it looks like the Songbird token is listed on Bitstamp, Pangolin, KRAKEN, and BITRUE. So it already has a bunch of central exchange listings, and it just got listed maybe about a week ago on CoinGecko. So check this all out. Flare.network is their official webpage, and they are being listed on Mexc Global starting tomorrow. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Flare? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.